Okay, now the first method to solve this problem, go to the search bar, type remove application. After that, go to your installed apps, search for Roblox. From here, you need to uninstall the Roblox application. After you successfully uninstall it, open Roblox on your browser. After that, just launch the game you want and it will suggest to download Roblox back, so click download and install. Now, if this method didn't work, type run in the search bar. You need to go to app data, so in the path, click on app data. After that, go to local, search for Roblox folder. Now go to versions. You need to access to the latest version, which is this one. So double click, scroll down, you will see Roblox player installer. Double click and it should be installed correctly and your problem should be solved. Now if both methods didn't work, go to the search bar, go to Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, make sure to install it from here and make sure to uninstall the previous version so it doesn't collapse, and hopefully your problem should be solved. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.